Welcome back, Titan fans. So I went and did a thing. It's called Raptor Liner. It's a spray-on bed liner, and as you can see, our front is blacked out. We had the satin chrome on the grill and on the skid plate, and now it's black. And I'm pretty happy with it. It turned out pretty well. I also did the tow hooks. They were pretty rusty. Out of all the things I did, the tow hooks turned out the worst, but you can barely see the tow hooks. The skid plate turned out awesome. You can only see the front of it, but the rest of it turned out pretty awesome as well. And let's show you some before shots, then we'll go back to the after shots. This is my tonneau cover. I've just cleaned it and I'm taping it. I still have to sand and prime it. So as you can see, the black paint's chipped off the aluminum parts, and the texture part is kind of white. I have used a black wax on this before, and that helped. It made it all black again, but that was quite a bit of prep work in itself to do the black wax properly. With the bed liner, that should be a permanent solution. These are the other parts I'm doing here. I'm doing the tow hooks. They were pretty rusty, so I used a rust remover solution and soaked them, and now I've got them primed, ready for bed lining. Brackets that hold the hooks on and the skid plate on. I didn't spend much time on these. They could be sanded a lot more and cleaned up, but you can't see them anyways. I just wanted to help with the rust. And then my grills, I'm going to do the aftermarket grills. They've faded over time. They've got some chip marks in them. I'm going to do these hubcaps. I've got a set of wheels. They fit into the wheels that fit my Titan. That I'm going to do. And stock grill, satin chrome, I want all black, so I'm going to spray that. And the skid plate, spray that black too. Bed liner should also, that's powder coated, so that's very durable finish on there. But I do have to sand it just to scuff it up to spray it. But the bed liner should help with noise. If you ever get rocks thrown up sitting on your skid plates, it makes quite a bit of noise, so the Raptor Liner should help in that as well. And come back with the after pictures. Okay, here's the tonneau cover after, and that looks pretty nice. And this white stuff here is from the tape. I left the tape on a little too long. I gotta clean that off still. Kind of wish I had have sprayed this aluminum section here and this aluminum section up here, but oh well. The rest of it turned out really good. You can see it's nice and black. It's got the nice texture, nice and hard. So this is the kit I used, the Raptor. This kit came with 4 bottles, the hardener and a spray gun, and I used 3 bottles of that to coat everything, 2 coats. The skid plate, I also did both sides of the skid plate, and the billet grills I did both sides, 2 coats. The other stuff I just did the one side, but 2 coats. And don't forget to pick up some grip for and acid etch primer when you buy your kit as well for the prep. Okay, you saw the before shots. I also did the wheel caps, and I also did some billet grills that I had. These grills were all faded, got them all coated. I just sprayed them both sides. They look pretty good. This is the lower one that goes in the bottom gaping hole of the bumper, so that's gonna look good. And I've also done the main one as well. So this goes on here and replaces the stock grill. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, the stock grill like that or the billet grill like that, which is just the horizontal lines. And let me know what you think about the Raptor Liner. I like how it turned out. There's a couple blemishes where the hose touched, which was my inexperience, and a few imperfections, but for my first time spraying any kind of paint, I think it turned out pretty well. So please like and subscribe this video, and look down in the description for links to some of the tools I use. I'll find a link for Raptor Liner and I'll put it in there as well. Thanks for watching.